what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the best dairy-free iced coffee cold foam situation. I got a lot of comments on the video where I made sweet cream cold foam on how to make it dairy-free, and so you can use alternative milks, but this way works the best and it's going to be the thickest and creamiest, and I just discovered that it works great. I had an idea that it worked, but I wasn't 100% sure that it works good, but I tried it and I stopped using heavy cream. Waiting for the applause because that's a big thing for me. I love my heavy cream. As you can tell, your girl drinks some heavy cream, you know what I'm saying? But so yeah, what you're gonna need is you're going to need coconut milk. Get full fat coconut milk. Don't get light coconut milk. It's not gonna work as good. Get full fat. I got the organic one from Sprouts. You can get any organic or non-organic, whatever your preference. Just get full fat. That's all I'm going to say. You're going to need a vanilla extract. Today I'm going to be using the Trader Joe's Organic Pure Bourbon Vanilla Extract. You don't have to do all that. Any vanilla extract is fine, or vanilla syrup. I'm using vanilla extract because I'm going to use maple syrup as my sweetener. But as I say in almost all my videos, you can use whatever sweetener you want. You can use no sweetener if you don't like it sweet, but I like it sweet, so I'm going to be using a sweetener. And then you're going to need a milk of your choice. Today I'm going to be using the macadamia milk. Moo is moot. Macadamia milk. As you can tell, I switch up my milks a lot because I like to experiment. And right now, I'm liking this one. It's pretty good. And then you're going to need a coffee of your choice. I'm obviously going to use espresso today because I have it here. I spent a lot of money on this thing, so we're getting use out of it. Okay? Yeah, so with all that being said, if you guys want to learn how to make the best dairy-free cold foam, then you just keep watching. So first things first is you're going to open your coconut milk. I probably could have done this off camera, but it's okay. Now with the coconut milk, you're going to use the whole can of coconut milk. Some people scrape just the fat, like the thick part, the cream, off of the top, but that's very thick in my opinion. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pour the whole can into a mason jar and shake it up so that way it's still going to be thick. Don't worry. She's still going to be thick, but she's not going to be like solid like how this is, because you see that? Probably not. Let me zoom in for you guys. So, the coconut milk is very thick at the top, and then, sorry, my stomach's like not cute. It's very thick at the top, and then like liquid. You're gonna pour all of the contents into a big mason jar to shake it up. I know it looks gross, but it's not. I promise. Do not judge this. I have this towel for the espresso machine because you kind of need a towel. So anyways, I put the whole milk, the whole can of coconut milk in here, and I'm just going to shake it like crazy, just to get everything mixed around. Yeah, so I would shake the coconut milk in the jar for 20 to 30 seconds, just so you know that it's like really mixed in there. And then I'm just gonna set this to the side. Now, after you mix your coconut cream pretty good, I'm going to add some vanilla extract to it. This is on taste, but I'd say like a teaspoon. It's probably a little more. Whoops, I'll survive. Teaspoon of vanilla extract in there, and then shake it again. Okay, now we're gonna set that to the side. Now we're going to move on to making the espresso. If you don't have an espresso machine, you totally don't have to use espresso, but I have one. I spent a lot of money on it and I'm gonna use it, so yeah. So if you have this machine, you're going to measure about 17 grams to pull a pretty good shot. That's what I've come up with. I'm making a whole video on this machine specifically because it's kind of hard to get the hang of, but once you have the hang of it, it goes pretty well. Okay, from this point on, you can either sweeten the coffee or you can sweeten the cream itself. I'm going to sweeten the coffee itself. So I'm going to add about a tablespoon of maple syrup into the espresso. If you want to sweeten the cream itself that's going to go on top of your coffee, just pour however much you're going to use. It's probably a good amount. Into a little cup situation and pour your sweetener in there. In here. And then you can either get like a hand mixer, you can get a milk frother, whatever you need to get, and mix it together. I'm going to use a Menchie spoon, personally. But there's not really any need to froth the cream if you're not going to sweeten it because it's really thick as it is, which is also kind of a perk to it. You grab a cup of ice and just assemble your whole little coffee situation. I'm going to add ice first. And then I'm going to add some macadamia milk in here. And then we're going to add your coffee of choice. Mine is going to be the espresso, obviously. And then after that, just top it with your dairy-free cold foam. And voila, you have it. Okay guys, so there you have it. I'm just going to grab a I'll use this one. It's like the perfect length. Look at her, she's beauty and she is grace, babe. I'm telling you guys, from a girl, you can see my stuff on the fridge, just ignore it, okay? I'm telling you guys from a girl that drinks heavy cream cold foam on like a pretty consistent basis, that this is delicious and so much healthier for you than like heavy cream. And it's so thick. You see that? You see how thick that is? So yeah, this is really good. The coconut cream is delicious either way you do it, even if you don't sweeten the top of it. It doesn't matter as long as you sweeten the coffee, or if you don't like your stuff sweet, that's perfectly fine too. Just make the cream, like just take a can of coconut milk and shake it up and add it to the top of your coffees. It's delicious. It's crazy. Even if you're not dairy free, try it. Try it. Don't knock it till you try it. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Oh, so good. Let me know if you guys like this setup better, because I feel like I'm more talking to you and it's less like me just zooming in on everything. Well, I mean, I still did that, but I feel like I'm having more of a conversation with you guys. Let me know if you like this better or if you don't. And I'm sorry I haven't posted in a couple weeks. I've kind of had a lot going on, but we're back. And yeah. I know that you guys have video requests, and don't worry, I'm getting to them, but I tried this and I was like, I need to put this on the internet. This is delicious. It's crazy good. I mean, I know it's out there. I'm sure people have tried it, but it's so good. Like, I was mind blown. And it doesn't even taste that strong like coconut. Like, you would think that it tastes a lot like coconut, which you can taste the coconut a little bit, but it doesn't have a strong coconut flavor to where it smacks you in the face. Like, if you don't like coconut, still try it, because you might like it. You know what I'm saying? Especially if you add a little vanilla in there. It's good. It's great. Chef's kiss. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm sorry if the lighting's kind of weird. I'm going to work on it, but your girl's balling on a budget, okay? I do not make a lot of money. I am a not rich person. I am a broke bitch, okay? So I'm doing what I can. A broke bitch with an expensive espresso machine. I'm broke so I can make good coffee. And that's just how that is. I saved all my tips for like 3 months for this machine. So don't think that I just have money to blow. Like, it took me a while to be able to afford to get it. So if you're thinking about getting one and you think like that's way out of my price range, just save up for it. It might take you a couple months, like, but hey, it's worth it in my opinion. I work at a coffee shop and I don't even drink the coffee there anymore. Did you hear me? I make it better at home and I can pick the beans. Delicious. 10 out of 10 experience for me. I don't regret buying this machine at all. It was an investment, but an investment well made. Yes. I'm probably going to have a double chin this whole video because of the angle of this camera. It's okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And let me know any videos you guys have down below. I'm going to get to them. I am. Don't you even doubt it. Don't even think about it, babe. I'm getting there, okay? And I appreciate all of your guys' support. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Even giving me the time of day is so appreciated. And yeah, I'm just grateful. And I hope that you guys try this. Let me know if you like it. Please try it, though. Try it, though. Coconut, like a can of coconut milk is so cheap. It's like $2. And if you get like non-organic coconut milk, it's like 99 cents at like Trader Joe's or Safeway. Try it. If you don't like it, it's okay. Keep the heavy cream. If you don't like, yeah, just try it. If I'm talking fast, it's because I am drinking this coffee kind of quickly because it's really good. But that's all, bitches. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day, night, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are. And thank you guys so much for all of your support. And make sure you try this coffee. And that's pretty much it. Oh, guess what? You don't even have to put this on coffee. You can put it on matcha. That would be bomb. Oh my gosh, I'm making that. This with matcha, like that coconut cream with matcha. Oh, out of this world. 10 out of 10. Wow. Wow. Okay, that's pretty much it. Thanks, guys.